And you're gonna start off by roasting your poblano peppers. Once you roast your peppers, you want to place them in a container, a bag, and you want to allow them to sweat for 10 to 15 minutes. And once you've allowed your peppers to sweat, you're going to remove the skin, the stem, and the seeds. To your blender, you're going to add your roasted peppers. And to enhance the flavor of my poblanos, I like to combine them with roasted Anaheim peppers. And if you don't want to roast your Anaheim peppers, you can use canned chili. Add your garlic, onion, black pepper, salt, Mexican oregano. I'm using half and half today, but I don't want you to feel limited. You can use heavy whipping cream, you can use Mexican crema fresca, you can even use a little bit of sour cream mixed with your milk, and this is going to taste just as good. 1 cup of chicken broth, your cilantro, and now you're going to blend until smooth. And after about 30 seconds, boom, done. A nice, smooth, delicious consistency. Add your spaghetti to your salted water. While your spaghetti's cooking as suggested on your package, you're gonna add your sauce and continue to cook your sauce for 10 to 13 minutes. And boom, done, our pasta's ready. Time to go in our sauce. And now you just wanna take your spaghetti in your sauce for a spin. And boom, done, a delicious and creamy spaghetti verde. I have my family over today, and some of them want chicken, some of them want some cod, and some of them prefer this recipe with a little bit of fried breaded shrimp. So it's going to be up to you on how you want to pair this recipe. But let me tell you, even the spaghetti on its own, it's more than enough to fill your belly. Sprinkle a little bit of cilantro and the Mexican Parmesan Cotija cheese.